What's up, guys? It's Rick, and today I have a fantastic car for you. 1971 Buick Riviera boat tail. Of course, you guys know it.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
This car is a classic 455 motor, all original motor, body, matching numbers. This vehicle has been taken apart. I have so much documentation of this vehicle, you guys aren't going to believe it. Obviously, everybody knows 1971 was the only year where they created the louvers for the aerodynamic air, whatever that was. I really don't know. They took it away in 72. Anyways, that was one of the features of this vehicle. This car is amazing. I have the actual book of everything that was done to this vehicle from day one when the first owner purchased it. I have the original owner's manuals, original bill of sale. I have pictures that were developed on that stuff called film. You guys remember that stuff? Kodak? You used to take your film to like Eckerd's and Walgreens and have it developed.
Okay, that's way black.
I have pictures of this car being actually transformed into a restoration. So you can see just the chrome, everything has been very well taken care of. I can't even imagine how much time this paint actually took on this vehicle with the condition of just the way it flows, the way it's amazing. Look at the shadows in each of these layers on the roof. How do you even get on top of the roof to do that? Anyways, back to the car now. 1971 Buick Riviera. 2 owners. Came out of Delray Beach, Florida. It's always been in West Palm Beach and in Delray, Florida. Very well taken care of. You got the original VIN numbers here. Everything was stripped down. Like I said, I have pictures of the entire process of it being restored. Seats are in fantastic condition, just unbelievable. Steering wheel's great shape. Dashboard, the logos, floorboards, carpet, body by Fisher, of course. Vehicle was treated for rust. Look at this. Look how clear the glass is, and how nice that back deck is there for the trunk area. Louver's so nice. And back on the rear here with the flames and all this stuff, the shadowing and just the detail that was put into this paint job. I can't even imagine how many hours it actually took. I would assume that this paint job probably cost in the range of $10,000 to $12,000 for that much time and detail. Everything was taken off the vehicle, rear end, front end, trim, windows, everything. And this is the most prideful thing I have in the entire listing right here, is the original owner's manuals, the service book, and this in itself is worth so much money. I can't even tell you for the next owner what the value is of all this paperwork from day one. And folks, this, if you're looking for a 71 Riviera, you can search all around for this vehicle. To have something like this and in this condition that has been restored and well taken care of, just look at this back end. It's nuts. They don't even make bumpers like that anymore. Pop the hood for you. Obviously it has a 455. This one has a Holley carburetor. That is obviously not original. It's a double pump Holley, and it has the Performer Buick 455 intake manifold on it. I took the actual 455 .4 air cover off. I forgot to put it on for this video. I will include that in the listing. I'll show you guys that I do have it. It's in good shape, good condition, has nice stickers on it and everything. Felt here, great shape, brand new battery. Air conditioning, I forgot to mention, air conditioning does work in this vehicle. There's the compressor right there, the fan box, cooling unit. So that's pretty much the engine bay. I'll turn it on for you so you guys can hear this bad boy. And let me tell you something, you can peel tires in this car easy. Comes with this cool Buick Riviera keychain. Seen better days, but all right guys, so let's go ahead and let's take her for a spin. Check out these cool handles. Pretty cool. All right, gonna take it for a little spin, and I'm in a residential neighborhood. We'll see what we can do with chirping the tires. You know, don't want to get crazy, but got to show you guys how nice ride this is. Really, really smooth. I mean, you can't get any smoother than these old Buick Rivieras. So we'll go ahead now and see if we can get on it a little bit. Well, that was fun. All right, so you heard a little bit of the chirpy chirp. Anyways, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Check out the speedometer, horn works. Oh yeah, windows work. Just wanted to show you guys that they go up and down. Yes, they do go up and down all the way. I just wanted to take the pictures for you guys to show you that how cool it is on the inside without the windows up. AC works. You guys can hear that. I'm trying to. AC works. Lights are on. Lights work. Speedometer works. Gas gauge works. Everything works. So, without further ado, concluding this video, guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with other Buick fans or classic vehicle fans. And if you haven't checked out my 1987 Buick Grand National auction on Bring a Trailer, make sure you do that. That's going to be live this week, September 30th, 2022 on Bring a Trailer. This 1971 Buick Riviera is going to be posted tonight on YouTube. And you guys can like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you like my classic cars. And support the channel so I can go ahead and continue bringing you content just like this. Well, that'll do the wrap up for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you need shipping, I can ship this car anywhere in the United States. I can also export it anywhere in the world. So, without further ado, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.